Hey there YouTube lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's Djpamelamc. So I am here to do another spicy noodle challenge. Now I am doing the hot chicken flavored ramen noodle challenge. And as you can see on the lid, I hope here, it's saying fire noodles, okay? I've never had these in my life. Now I have opened it as I have put the hot water in there, okay? So we're gonna leave that like that. Let it do its magic. And yeah, so how are you all? How's your day? What have you been up to? Are you okay? You know, are you having a good day full of lots of smiles? And just remember, it's always important to be kind to yourself and to be kind to your soul. So I've got here the 2 little packets that came in this, and I'm just waiting for the water to, you know, go through the needles. What am I saying? Noodles. But I think while that's happening, I might add these. All right, let's do this. So if you've seen on one of my other challenges, I did ×2 spicy noodle challenge. I failed. It was delicious, but yeah, I failed. But it's to be continued because I want to do it again. All right, so let's, hang on, let me open that. Yeah. Boop, boop. Here we go. In there. I like to add it early because it actually makes the flavor go through the noodles better. All right. So I've actually had a very productive day, but not as productive as I would have liked it to have been, but that's okay. Tomorrow is a new day and I shall start again. All right, put that there. Ready? Okay, that's the whole packet. Don't want to make a mess. So now I've only just finished my day. It's quite late at night and I am in my hotel room. All right, mix it all about as I'm away for a few days doing things. All right, we're gonna sit it like that. I'm so excited. I don't know if these will be hotter than the spicy ×2 noodles. So it'll be interesting to see. I have to admit, this time around, I am very, very hungry. So hopefully that makes the difference. I hope. I hope. Okay, waiting. And last time I didn't let the noodles last time kind of go, you know, be cooked enough, long enough. I'm having a real blonde moment, aren't I? Okay, you can see that it's so red. Look at that, the sauce is so red. Now, okay. Ooh. This time I put my hair in a ponytail. All right, mix it all about. Okay. You probably can't see the steam, I don't think. It smells, it smells really spicy actually. All right, we're gonna let it, I wanna taste the chopsticks, but I'm gonna be patient and I'm gonna wait. Okay, I gotta Okay, so I'm back. Now they should be ready to eat. I'm just gonna have one last drink. Oh God. Okay, so I have to admit this time around for this spicy noodle challenge, I am very, very hungry, okay? So I'm hoping that will make a difference. They give us paper cups due to, you know what. All right. Okay. Opening it up. Ooh. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that red sauce. It's really, really red. Okay. Let the challenge begin. Okay, I don't want any of my eyeballs. Oh God. Okay. Looking good. All right, here we go. So far, so good. Woo. Delicious. Now, like I've said in my other video, I do love spicy food. It's nice. All right. So far, so good. Ooh. Okay. All right. You gotta keep going. I find keep going with it. Don't stop moving. Ah. I'm doing good. I am hungry. It is hot. But I have to admit, I am enjoying these. They're delicious. If you love spicy food, really spicy food, whew, you gotta try these. You gotta try them. Oh. I'm not giving up. Okay. Not giving up. Not giving up, lovers. I have got a lot of soup in there. A lot of water. I'm nearly finished. These are good. I could actually eat more, to be honest. Very spicy. But delicious. Delicious. I did it. So I've just got the soup left in there. I really like these. I recommend them. If you love spicy food, get these. They're delicious. They are very, very hot. I've still got a few noodles, little ones. But they're hard to get with the chopsticks, look. I'm gonna try some of the soup. But I have completed my mission for these. I like it. Yum. Have my lips change color. That is really good. I really, really like that. It's got a very, very, very good kick to it. Yum. Look at that. Wow. Yummy, yum. The soup is almost gone too. So excited. Whew. There you go, lovers. I did it. I did it. Mission is complete. Whew. To be honest, the heat hasn't really hit me yet because I just kept going with it. Whew. But I did it. So stay tuned for more. I shall be back. If you love my channel, subscribe, click like, and comment. I love you all. Mwah!